Did you know that almost all of your fruits and veggies are covered with pesticides, even after you wash them? A single blueberry can be covered with 50 different types of pesticides. We're just not okay with that. Introducing the Garrnish Pesticide Purifier, the best way to remove pesticides from your fruits and veggies. You see, regular washing methods just aren't effective enough. We believe in pure, nourishing food without all the chemicals, so we spent years developing the Garrnish Pesticide Purifier to remove more than 90% of the most common pesticides using electrolysis. Here's how it works. Water molecules are split into hydrogen and hydroxide ions. You'll see tiny bubbles forming. This electrolyzed water creates an alkaline environment, and along with chlorine in your tap water, breaks down the benzene ring or the molecular structure of chemical pesticides, turning them into harmless, non-toxic substances you can easily wash away with water. Gotta love science! We even sent our purifier to SGS, the world's leading lab testing organization headquartered in Switzerland. Their lab tests confirmed that over 99% of chlorpyrifos, the most common pesticide, was removed after just 10 minutes. But why not just buy organic? Turns out, there's over 20 chemicals used in growing organic foods, and pesticide spray from airplanes can drift onto organic farms. Plus, the Garrnish Pesticide Purifier is so easy to use. Just turn it on and give it a stir once in a while. It's way more effective than scrubbing every leaf, and saves water too. We want to help everyone eat less pesticides. Please help us fulfill this mission by pledging below.